3 Amazon Best Sellers. Welcome to another Femitech video tutorial. For this video I will be looking at 3 Amazon best-selling products. Crocs Unisex-ADULT Classic Clogs. This shoe is unisex. You can buy one for your son and one for your daughter. Your kids will love it because it is really lightweight. Very easy to maintain as it will dry very quickly after wash. Its highly ventilated feature will make your foot cool. Amazon Smart Plug. With the help of Alexa, your plugs will be controlled with voice, instead of using electricity when you are not at home. This is due to the fact that with this plug you can schedule your lights, fans and other electrical appliances to turn on and off. Countertop Ice Maker. This ice maker will give you all the ice you will need for a day in just 6 minutes. In just 24 hours it will give you 26 pounds of ice. If you are a sport person or construction working, you need to get one of this ice maker. The ice it produces will instantly cool down your drinks so that you get that chilling effect. You need not to think about cleaning this ice maker as it comes with self-cleaning technology. Please like and share the video. Also remember to click the subscription button.